I noticed the dog didn't have no ears well no much time. I tell him don't beat in my bath. Watch me on him. You scared me. What you want? So, me not tell you over and over the dog not beat in your bath or you're deaf. No, but when I'm in foreign I bed in the bath and sleep in bed. Well, this here Jamaica dog not sleep in a bed down here. That's why we foreign and I like you know. Well, me go teach you a lesson. Jamaica different dog. And don't shit in island. Where should I go? Shit a bush like everybody else. Too bright. But foreign people like my business.
Oh my God!
Rank and face. You have to stop. This ain't no foreign, no special treatment. Miracle RSPCA. I do you for sleep. Never be in their bath or shit in their grass or lie down on people's bed again.
You freaking psychopath!
Clean yourself up.
This generation rules the nation. Get up! Seems like we're out of place.